Are these your Suzukis?
Yeah, this is mine, yeah.
Nah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's so rare to see these bikes on the track now.
1986.
Yeah, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Same 750?
Yeah, exact same thing,
Okay.
except they're just Pirellis, Dunlops,
I
just
see.
like little, but I try to set them up the same.
Both of them are your bikes?
Yeah, they're both
okay.
mine, yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah. Yeah, this is me. I did this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you race classics?
No, I just do track days.
Oh, just track days?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just better for me to ride when I ride, yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah, it's a good bike. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel like the old machine with modern tire.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
does it feel like really good?
Yeah, it feels pretty good. I mean, it feels old.
Right.
It feels old. The way you sit in it,
Mm-hmm.
the carburetors. You know, like I'm going and then it
Right.
goes. But it goes pretty well once it goes. So yeah, but I'm happy. It works for me. I get around pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah, and yeah, I think I'm rubbing right here. You see right there.
Oh yeah.
That one I'm rubbing a little more.
Ouch. Okay.
So that's on that turn going up. So I have to be careful, otherwise, you know, I could crash if I'm rubbing too much.
So these are the race fairings set, but these are stock though.
Yeah, stock fairings, race fairings. These are from Ireland.
Ah, okay.
So, and they have the oil, see?
Oil paint, yeah.
So the originals don't have that.
Right,
and,
right.
I wanted that, so that way, if something happens, I don't.
Yeah.
You know,
Did you get two because one could be a spare?
yeah. Because I like them. you know, and that way, because they're old, you know, if something happens, I just
Right.
run the other one.
Nice.
So it's easier. Like I said, I'll ride this one, maybe that one today one time.
Nice.
Yeah. So yeah, so they work really well. So, I mean, it's, you know, to think in 1986, you know, this is old technology, you know, and it's still pretty good.
I know. Like, yeah. Like you were right in front of me. And it's like, wow, it's so cool. Look at you, and then it's like your tail light.
Yeah.
Such classic. I was just like, oh my god, what is this? What is this?
Yeah, what is that?
I was like, is it a 1100? Is it a 750? What is it? It's like
750.
amazing.
Yeah, it's a, you know, stock engine.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But it, you know, I'm happy. I have a newer one with fuel injection. It makes it so much better.
Okay, newer one is in like just
Yeah, it's a
how much?
1999.
Okay, that's still
But
not new.
It's old, but I mean newer than this.
Right.
It's fuel injection, so
Yeah.
it's just easy.
Okay.
This is, you know, carburetors. They're just not fun.
Okay.
I don't like carburetors.
Oh, well, you have these.
Yeah. But
Work on them,
so
yeah.
whatever, you know, but
Right.
I wouldn't buy another carburetor bike.
Okay, so what did you ride before these?
These.
What about before these? What were you riding?
A scooter.
Oh, okay. So you've always wanted like a 750.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I had them. I've had them for maybe 30 years, maybe.
Right. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. So I've had them a long time. Yeah.
That's so cool.
So I just take care of them.
Uh huh.
Yeah. What are you riding?
Today I'm riding my GX4RR. That's the new 400cc
Oh,
four-cylinder.
that's the Kawasaki.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
how is
yeah.
that?
A lot of fun.
Yeah?
It's not a powerful bike, not like 66, but because of the four-cylinder and then like, it screens all the way to like 16,000 RPM.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of fun here, especially.
Yeah.
I enjoy it a lot. Like.
Yeah, you're over there, right?
Right.
Yeah,
right over there.
I saw it.
Yeah, because I used to have like way back I had a FTR 250. It's also a four-cylinder one. At 250, and then when they announced that they're making like the four-cylinder 400, I was like, cool. Like, I always wanted one of those.
Yeah.
So that's why I bought it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I also have a RC51.
RC. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
2005. I haven't taken to the track yet.
No.
I want to, but seeing you doing this, I'm like,
Yeah, you should.
I want to do it.
I mean, you know, these
Yeah.
bikes are. The RC51 is yeah, you'll be fine. I mean, it'll feel big and heavy, right? Compared to
Right,
the
right. It
400.
does feel big and heavy, yeah.
I rode it one time. I had a friend that RC51. They're so much fun. They were so nice. They sounded so nice. Yeah.
So is this the very first year
Yeah.
they made them? Okay.
Yeah. Well, this is 86, but they made them in 1985.
Right. So this is where like the 750 was like the glory of 750,
Yeah.
right? Because that's right. They continue making the 750.
Yeah.
It's because of this one.
This one, yeah. This
Yeah,
one. And
this
it was
one.
light, and it was so much
Right.
better than anything.
Yeah, it was like groundbreaking and everything,
Yeah.
and then that's
so,
why.
So I can see. I mean, I can still use it now.
I know, amazing.
And these are original. Like everything is original. I mean, just shows you aluminum. You know, I can switch it to you know, the reverse shift. You know, do you do the reverse shift?
Yeah,
You can switch
GP
it
shift.
easy.
Oh, they allow you to do that too. Okay, back
Yeah,
in.
what I'm saying is, you know, it has a linkage, whereas the other ones didn't have a linkage, like the old other bikes. Other bikes, I rode. My friend had a 1986 Interceptor.
Okay, oh no, those ones, yeah.
Man, it was like, oh, you know,
Yeah.
thinking, wow, this. And
Yeah,
that one?
this was the cutting technology back then. That's what.
Suzuki did a really good job with this.
Everybody was like, "Oh my God, what is this?"
Yeah.
And it started like,
Yeah,
advancing
they did.
it.
Yeah, so that's why I wanted to have one. So I bought my first one in 1993.
wow.
So then,
Oh.
So yeah, so you know, suspension is, you know, I fix it for my weight, you know, so I'm using all this to travel.
Yeah.
And so yeah, so I'm very happy.
Yeah.
You know, there's nothing more to be done, just to take care of
And
it.
enjoyed it, right?
Enjoy
Ride it, yeah.
You know, I'm not. It's just a track bike.
Right,
So
right.
Take good care of it.
Do you have a street one as well?
Yeah, I have a street one too.
Same one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's like
it doesn't have this. You know,
all pretty looking, everything. Yeah. Collectible.
Yeah, I don't like anything pretty.
Okay.
I like.
Yeah. Too
mine-
stressful.
Yeah, mine's more like that. It's
Okay.
like better, you know, like more like that condition, but it's, you know, it's got lights.
Yeah.
It's got a different exhaust. This exhaust is too loud. I don't like
Right.
loud bikes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
but here for the track is okay.
So how are you able to find parts? Like just all over the place?
I don't
Europe?
know. Suzuki makes a lot of parts still.
Oh, okay, that's good.
But you know, really chains, sprockets, easy tires are easy.
Yeah.
This, like stuff like this, you can't find anymore.
No.
This, you know.
Right.
You can't find this. They don't make anymore. If they make it, they're $400 or $500.
Yeah, but
So, but you know, it's got to be careful.
yeah. So it's both 17-inch wheels?
Yeah, 17 inch. 1992.
1992.
Yeah, so
Crazy.
If you need assistance, the person at the gate will assist you.
All right, thank you. See you on track.
thank you, right.
Oh, cool.